Good day everyone, I've got this BestArc Plasma cutter here. The model number is BTC500DP. Well, here's a little bit more technical data on this. So the input voltage, you can either go 110 or 220. Rated output current is 10 to 50 amps. Quality cutting thickness 12 millimeters, 60% duty cycle. That was a nice color on this thing. Here's a look at it. Really small and lightweight too. It's got a nice handle. You can carry this around. So you can see it comes with the 220 plug, but the nice thing is it comes with a nice adapter I can put on there and plug right into the wall. And back here, this is where your air is going to go. There's the power. It's the air from your air compressor, and it comes with a hose. Comes with some plumber's tape and some fittings there. There's a ground clamp, and here's the torch itself. You got the air pressure here, connections here. This is to ramp up and down your air pressure there. And then this is for your amps, how many amps you want to give it, higher or lower. And this is, you know, if you're operating off of 110 or 220. Let's go ahead and hook this thing all up. This is from the plasma. We're going to hook up the torch first. So this is going to thread right onto here. This one here is going to go right into here. Nice and tight. And then this red one's going to go right on here. Okay, we got our torch hooked up. Now we're going to hook up the ground clamp. So this piece is going to clamp to whatever you are working on. This is goes to your work piece. There we go. Hang on to this. This is for changing out your tips. Now we'll go ahead and put this on here. just a couple of things to note here too when you're adjusting this. You want to pull it out and then turn it. And then also it won't go down right away. So you're going to want to pull the trigger on your torch and it'll release the air from the tube and it'll drop down. That way you can adjust it accordingly. But I got this set right there. Just about 50. Could probably go down to 40 is what they recommend, but 50 worked just fine for me. And then I used 30 amps. So using this AG60 torch, the setting that you want to have is either 2T or 4T. The PT function is not for use with this AG60 torch. However, you want to have it set to 2T. 2T, what that does is when you press the trigger, the arc starts, and when you release the trigger, the arc will stop. 4T, when you press the trigger, the arc will stay on, and you press it again to terminate the arc. So it's just a little more variability depending on your use.